What's up, guys? Welcome to a fun video that we have today. As you can see, we got some cars lined up here. We got some people lined up here. As you can tell by the title of the video, what we are doing tonight is we are taking subscribers for Rip and Gronda to get their reactions. If anyone's new here, this car does not come boosted from factory here in the States. This car has a full EJ257 swap in it, forged internals, built heads, big turbo, 44mm external wastegate. This thing is fully built. We're still tuning it. It's on low boost on 17 PSI right now. Still makes a good amount of power. Should be on 26 PSI, making a lot more power, but I think it'll still be a fun video. So let's get right into it. We're gonna go ask which one of these guys wants to go for a ride first, and we'll get to it. We got one more person showing up. Zach, say hi. Okay, we're gonna do that again. Put your hands down. Okay, first person, raise your hand. 100% it was Gunner. We'll take Gunner out first.
Is he gonna fly back?
It might. We got Gunner and we got Zach.
Yes, sir. What's up?
Oh, here's my front bumper.
Do you have externals on this?
Again, it's on low boost. It's only making 17 PSI.
Just watching my car.
Should be making 26.
What's this? God damn! I'm gonna go blind.
Had to try a little bit. Normally works whenever I drive. Putting it in there, it never does that.
It's just because you're trying to film right now.
Yeah, only because I'm trying to film right now is why it's not working.
People.
What are your thoughts?
I love it. I love it. I want it.
Yeah. Is it as wild as yours, Zach?
Nope.
Yours has got to be insane.
My double X?
Yeah.
My double X. I feel like my double X is a little bit louder, but it does not pull as hard.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which is weird because this is full 3-inch catless straight pipe.
Yeah.
And a custom up pipe, yeah, and it's not as loud as every other Subaru with just a cat.
I was gonna say, I feel like it'd be louder if it's full straight.
Yeah, which makes no sense. I don't know why it's not, because most Subarus with like the catback straight pipe, or I mean a turbo back catless straight pipe, are just loud as all.
This makes me want to go big turbo on my car.
Okay, who's going next? I saw Ryan's hand. We can do 2 again, or we can just do 1. If I don't shift this fast, because I think it was when I hit the shift is when it slid.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I gapped the Type R, my car right here. Flew past it at like 95.
Jeez.
Well, I was in second. I was pulling on him, misshifted to third. He started pulling me, got into third, and I just walked him.
Your car's fast. I still haven't been for a ride on your S chassis.
I'll have to take you.
Yeah, we need to definitely.
I have a boost leak, so it's a little slow right now.
Nice.
This thing's fast.
Is it?
Yeah.
This feels so for a Forester.
A mob car?
Yeah. It feels way faster than my car.
Is it really?
Yeah. I'd get walked by this thing.
Alright, good to know.
That'd be an interesting race.
That would be an
I want to
interesting
see
race.
that.
It's good, gang.
What's up?
How's your day going?
It's going good. How's your guys' day going?
It's going pretty solid.
You guys stoked for a Rip and Gronda?
Hell yeah.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Did you guys watch the Build series at all?
Partial.
Partial? When'd you start watching?
Not that long ago.
Yeah? sad. Hated that car. Everyone always asks me why I got rid of it, and gosh, that car was problem after problem after problem. Had that car for almost 2 years, and I've driven the Forester since I've swapped it less than a year ago. More miles than I drove that 240 in 2 years.
Drive anything.
You don't drive anything?
Nope.
You're not 16 yet?
I am 16.
You ain't 16?
I have a job though. I'm working for it.
There you go, man. There you go. That's how you start.
I do. I just applied for ACE, but I've been doing construction hella.
Oh, rad, bro. Rad.
I'm tired of that.
Yeah. And I know you got the, was it 18WRX?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. That thing's sick. It's on the Auto Hans.
Yeah.
Looks like it's on coils.
Yeah, it's on BC.
BCs? Hell yeah, bro. Alright, we'll get one more.
Yes, sir.
So you asked what it's done to it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's got a EJ257 swap in it.
Okay.
Fully forged internals, built heads, big turbo, external wastegate. It's pretty much the gist of it. Done to it?
Has an IAG block, closed deck.
Woo! IAG closed deck?
Yeah, and then
that's not cheap.
No, it's an $8,000 block.
Yeah, those are not cheap.
Kind of dumb.
What stage is it? Which stage is the short block? Yeah.
I can't remember. It can hold up to like 715.
Oh, okay. So it's probably like the stage 2. Because I know they have one that you can hold like 12 or 1400 wheel.
Yeah, it's not quite that crazy.
Yeah, and that one's like I think that short block's like 12 grand.
Yeah, I know I can push that car to like 600 wheel.
Yeah.
Pretty comfortable.
Let's see. What's your name?
Jaden.
Jaden, that's right. Jaden, yeah. So you've been watching the channel?
Yes, sir.
Since when?
I'd say for like 9 months.
9 months?
Yeah, I've been following.
That's my bad. Car's a little low.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. So what videos did you start watching on?
I don't know. I have terrible memory, by the way.
That's chill. Were you watching me build the Forester?
Yeah, I was watching you build the Forester, but like I followed your snap when you still had the
S14?
Yeah, the S14.
All right.
And what's funny is like my friend Zach, he followed you before I did.
Yeah.
Because he was obsessed with Foresters, and I was like, dude, slam Foresters. They're
alright.
Like, I honestly, I did not like Foresters. Like, and I have a thing with like I hate cars and they'll grow on me. And then I started following you and I was like, dude, Foresters? they're dope.
Sick.
Like what?
See, that's why. I mean, that's why I built it. It was one of those cars that I'm like, I know that car can be really, really cool, and I just don't think people realize that.
Right, and literally, you're like the person to like get me into like bigger cars that are slam, like CRVs. Like I saw
CRVs are rad.
I was like, those are dope.
I love it. There's a yellow CRV that's local here. That's super static.
Oh, I think I've seen it, man.
Yeah, that kid's really nice. He's a really cool dude. His car is sick, and it's boosted.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, it sounds so good. What?
That external wastegate sounds crazy, doesn't
That
it?
sounds insane. I want to see this thing all ass, just like from like out there.
Oh yeah.
Like it slammed and just hauling ass.
Can you guys hear me getting on the freeway when I'm giving everyone
Oh, yeah.
rides? Yeah. Jeez.
That's awesome, dude.
Alrighty.
This is Zach. Me and Zach go way back.
Before we start going, I would just like to appreciate he has the color matched seats with the rest of the car. Get you a man with an attention to detail. That's all I can say about that.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, we've been building cars since high school together.
True. Fun fact, Max is the reason I got my first Forester.
Yes. I love that.
It's also the reason I missed my first Forester.
Foresters are superior.
So much fun.
They look six slammed. You got all the room in the world.
Honestly, having a back on a car was so nice.
Yeah. Oh, bumper. Got a little bit of room.
My gosh, it sounds so good.
Oh, that never gets old.
Oh, that will never ever get old. External gate, what is that? Right about 4,000?
Now, as soon as it hits like 10 pounds of boost, the external gate opens and lets loose.
That sounds so nice. Who did your gate?
I did.
Well, yeah. Who makes it? Is it Tile?
Tile.
Is it 44?
44, yeah. Biggest one you can get.
There you go, baby.
Yeah, that thing's huge.
What spring do you have in it?
It's supposed to be a 13-pound spring. However, the car won't make more than 17 PSI. It's supposed to be making 26 PSI. And it won't make more than 17. And neither me or my tuner can figure out why. And we are thinking I might have got sent the wrong wastegate spring. It might not actually be a 13-pound spring.
I know nothing about tuning, but I don't think it matters what spring you have in there. Holy cow, this sounds so good.
It does. So the rule of thumb is when whatever spring rate you have inside it, you can double that in boost. So if I have a 13-pound spring like I'm supposed to have, you theoretically can make 26 PSI. You make double because it makes it harder for the wastegate to open. So the turbo builds more boost before the wastegate opens. Is how that all works.
That's it for car tips with Max Kellison today.
Max and Zach, let's go.
Am I allowed to ask who do you think can?
Yeah, it's Shinji. I plug Shinji in all my videos whenever I do tuning videos. Shinji tuned the car. Car runs amazing. I'll put his link in. I'll put his website in the description. Car runs amazing. It's got a crackle tune on it now, and I am obsessed with it.
What top mount do you have? Because I thought it was aftermarket.
I think it's a Rev 9 or a Godspeed. I don't know.
I think it's thick.
It's as wide as my hand.
It is thick. Oh, it sounds so nice.
I'll bleep this out, but that was. It gets up there quick.
That was a really quick, law-abiding speed limit pull there.
We're in Mexico.
True.
Yeah. I'm not doing this on U.S. soil.
So HKS blowout valve.
HKS blowout valve.
Did you get it? So I've just heard rumors about this. I've never actually looked into it. Do they have different nozzles you can put in for different sounds?
Yep.
Which one do you have?
Mine's the normal sound. Like I think they call it the super squeaker.
Okay.
It's just whatever one comes with it. Looks like a Mercedes logo.
Oh, okay.
I have a buddy with a Speed 3. He's got a different one in his, and his sounds like deeper, and it has more flutter to it.
Okay.
I don't know. But fun fact, if you get the Go Fast Bits blow-up valve for the STI, they make a different trumpet that's silver. It's like longer, it makes it sound like an HKS.
There you go.
Yeah.
Hello, vlog. We're gonna go get arrested.
No, we're not. We're in Mexico.
I mean, we're in Mexico.
Yeah. I had everyone drive out to Mexico.
Yeah.
This is what we're doing. I've already gone through a quarter tank of gas.
Jesus Christ. I hope we're all in frame right now. Oh,
That's my bumper. Every time it's fine.
we like it.
We should all be in frame.
Static?
Static question mark?
Static question mark? Should I make it super over dramatic?
No, I just have a genuine reaction.
Okay.
Jaden, have you ever been in the car before?
Dude.
I'm not gonna put that in the video.
Wait, let's redo it. Jaden, have you ever been in the car before?
Yeah.
Last couple rides, third gear's getting sloppy and it won't slide in. So I've had to granny shift. No, I've had to granny shift third and then I bang fourth.
Oh, okay.
But I've had to granny shift third. Here, I'll try to bang third again.
So say I want a second. Woohoo! Yes.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. You can't help but smile. Oh my God. Jaden, we need to get Foresters and swap them. We need to get Foresters and swap them.
Yes, everyone needs to.
And then we get bikes, and then we have bikes and Foresters.
Yes. I'm trying to get some good pops. We'll get one more.
Well, surprisingly, the car lasted every single pull back to back to back to back. I'm surprised. Everyone enjoy.
Oh yes, that was lit. That was awesome.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Good turnout. This was fun. We'll have to do it again. Once I finish the Static Legacy, we'll come back here and we'll just pile as many people as we can inside it and then we'll go drive it around. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace. Will he miss second gear? He's gonna miss it. The pressure's on.
Oh, you didn't miss?
That sounded like a DSG.
Sounds like a fart.
That was weird.